Hello everyone! Today we are going to be unboxing Moving Beyond the Pages age 7 to 9 full year package. This is everything you need for a successful and fun 3rd grade year. Right on top you're going to find a packing slip. Check all of your items off, make sure they're in the box. It's also good to keep for your records just so you have an accounting of everything that you ordered. This is also really handy. This is Moving Beyond the Page catalog. You can thumb through this to plan for next year, or just, it's kind of nice to see every year at a glance. Keep that for your records as well. Starting at the age 7 to 9 level, you're going to notice that there are more curriculum books than in our younger levels. There will be 12 language arts unit books and 12 science or social studies unit books. Each correspond. You can see on the back of any unit book, you can see all of the language arts units listed along with the corresponding science and social studies units. For Concept 1, Unit 1, you're going to study tornado, and that's going to correspond with amazing weather. Next is Sarah Plain and Tall with The Land. Who was Helen Keller with Sound. Morning Girl with Environments Change. Communities and Culture. Communities change over time. People change the world. American Heroes. Poppy. Life Cycles. Charlotte's Web. The Water Cycle. The Family Under the Bridge. Economic Cycles. One Day in the Tropical Rainforest. The Rainforest. The Whipping Boy. Government and the People. Connected Cultures. Iggy's House. For math, you'll have 2 parent manuals and 2 student activity books, one for each semester. So you'll have the Semester 1 parent manual, the Semester 2 student activity book, the Semester 2 parent manual, and the Semester 2 student activity book. In Language Arts, Science, and Social Studies, you'll notice that the parent information is at the beginning of each lesson. The beginning of each lesson has answer keys and guidance so that you can get them started on their lessons. Then they should be able to do a lot of their work sort of independently. Moving Beyond the Page is a literature-based curriculum, so all of our lessons are anchored in beautiful literature books. How the U.S. government works. 1 vote, 2 votes, I vote, you vote. Xochitl and the Flowers. Maps and Mapping. On the Same Day in March. The Kids' Book of Weather Forecasting. A Drop Around the World. The Wump World. Starry Messenger. Miss Rumphius. A River Ran Wild. Welcome to the Greenhouse. The Shaman's Apprentice. Who eats what? What is a life cycle? Tornado. Sarah Plain and Tall. How the Turtle Got Its Shell. Alexander Graham Bell. The Family Under the Bridge. Iggy's House. One Day in the Tropical Rainforest. The Whipping Boy. Who was Helen Keller? Morning Girl. Charlotte's Web. Poppy. If You Made a Million. 50 American Heroes Every Kid Should Meet. Encounter. Hot on the Trail in Ancient Egypt. On the Run in Ancient China. Voices in the Park. Punctuation Celebration. Westlandia. The Grapes of Math. Spaghetti and Meatballs for All, a mathematical story. Perimeter, Area, and Volume, a monster book of dimensions. Millions to Measure. Divide and Ride, a fractions goal, parts of a whole. A Street Through Time. Along with our curriculum and all of the beautiful literature books, we're big believers in hands-on activities. You're going to receive things like a boiling point thermometer, an owl pellet dissection kit, a 3D ear model to put together, a butterfly garden. This doesn't come with the caterpillars, so make sure that you plan ahead with your curriculum so that way you can send in your voucher to get your caterpillars, okay? You also get a lot of math manipulatives with your curriculum. One of the first manipulative materials is the interactive notebook. As your student completes activities, they will be able to place them in this notebook. There are instructions here on how to do that and labels and dividers. It keeps your math work organized so they can look back if they need a refresher for some skill. You'll also receive this box of math materials. Inside you will find flashcards, dominoes, chalk, dry erase markers, rubber bands, index cards, toothpicks, all kinds of things to create hands-on and kinesthetic experiences while learning math concepts. If you're moving up from the age 6 to 8 math level, there are math move-up kits, so you don't have to buy doubles or duplicates of anything.
You can explore all of our materials at movingbeyondthepage.com. If you have questions, please contact us at 979-314-9938 or info@movingbeyondthepage.com. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Moving Beyond the Page content, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for information regarding education and Moving Beyond the Page updates.